YouTube, what's up? So today I'm going to show you guys what the factory speakers sound like on the 23 Street Glide Special. I'm just going to play some YouTube music. Let's see how this sounds. Picking it up. It sounds pretty good. Factory speakers, no amps, nothing like that. Not yet, at least. Yeah, so that's the factory speakers. Let me change the song. Try to give it some distance, see if the camera pick it up. Windy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.